Video is in response to my lovely follower Lizzie, and I promise to upload this video so you never have issues making a basic top anymore. The detailed version is on my YouTube. Please follow the link. So these are the horizontal lines that I've drawn, then the shoulder line. I'm doing the neck and then the shoulder slant. Okay, then I've started putting my bust measurement, waist measurement, and hip measurement. Okay, now I'm creating the dart. All right, so after getting the dart, I am going to be working on adding my dart allowance. Okay, after that, I'm just going to be doing my armhole. After doing your armhole, the next thing to do is to cut out. After cutting out, I did some neck alterations on the video that I may not be able to explain in details here. So please make sure you go on YouTube and watch that video from beginning to the end.